Hi guys! Today let's talk about very dangerous mistake that many drivers make when turning left at an intersection. It usually goes like this. A driver approaches an intersection, turns on the left blinker, turns the steering wheel to the left, waits for the gap in the oncoming traffic and then makes the turn. But why can this be dangerous? Let's consider the following situation. Imagine we are in the yellow car and we want to turn left from the main road onto this side street. Naturally, we slow down, turn on the left signal and turn the steering wheel so that our front wheels are angled left. We are ready to turn. Now we have to wait for the oncoming cars to pass, so we pause for a moment and once the coast is clear, we proceed with our turn. Job done! Great success! But now let's see what happens if we add a distracted driver to the mix. We follow the same routine. Slow down, turn on the blinker and stop to let the oncoming traffic to pass. But this time the car behind us for whatever reason fails to stop in time. Look at what happens now. Our yellow car gets pushed right into the oncoming traffic. Since our wheels are already turned to the left, even a relatively minor bump from behind can push us directly into fast-moving traffic. Here is a dashcam footage of exactly this scenario. It was unfortunately shot on a potato, but we can still make sense of it. We see a car waiting to turn left, but the car behind doesn't stop. First, there is an impact from behind, and then a second impact from the oncoming car. Unfortunately, distracted drivers who fail to stop in time are not uncommon. So, standing in the middle of the road with our front wheels pointing into the oncoming lane is not the best idea. In this situation, we should stop with our wheels straight, wait for a gap in traffic, and only then turn the steering wheel right before accelerating, or even at the same time. This way, even if someone rear-ends us, the consequences will be much less severe. It would still suck, but not that much. And that's pretty much it for today. Thank you for watching, drive safely and have a wonderful day. Bye!